Tensions escalated at Talanga Government Upper Primary School in Bhadrak district after protesting students and their parents reportedly locked the Additional District Education Officer or ADEO and Block Education Officer or BEO inside the school premises. The protest was reportedly triggered by a severe and prolonged shortage of teachers at the school. The shortage has disrupted regular academic activities and affected the education of students. Students, accompanied by their parents and guardians, staged a demonstration outside the school gates, demanding immediate intervention from the education authorities. The protesters reportedly expressed frustration over the continued shortage of teaching staff and the lack of a satisfactory solution despite their concerns being raised earlier. They demanded that adequate teachers be appointed at the earliest so that classes can be conducted properly and students do not suffer further. After receiving information about the protest, the EDO and BEO reportedly reached the school to assess the situation and speak with the protesting students and their guardians. However, tensions reportedly intensified during the discussions. The agitated protesters allegedly locked the main entrance gate of the school, leaving both officials inside the premises. The incident led to heightened tension at the school, with the protest continuing as students and parents pressed for immediate action over the teacher shortage. The protesters are demanding a concrete assurance from the education authorities along with a time-bound solution to the staffing issue. Meanwhile, school authorities have not yet issued an official statement on the incident. It is also not clear what immediate measures will be taken to address the shortage of teachers and resolve the concerns raised by the students and their parents. The incident has once again highlighted concerns over inadequate teaching staff in government schools and the impact such shortages can have on students' education.